Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use labels and color coding to organize cards on Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. Okay, so we need to open the app and choose any card we want. I will choose this one. So here we have an option like labels. It's up here. And now you can choose any color. For example, red going to be for important tasks, green for completed work, and blue for school tasks. You can also rename the labels right here, or delete the label right there. So basically, labels help you find tasks faster and keep your board organized. You can add more than one label to a card. This is very useful for busy projects and daily planning. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.